Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Google as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -2.6. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -3.22%. This translates to an average loss of -0.64% per day since it was listed as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 15.09% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 15.09% to 29.19%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 24.02% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 10.48% and 38.23%. This range translates to a price between $206.69 and $258.60 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline: Google's stock price ended at $187.08 on Tuesday after losing 0.595%. The Google stock price fell by -0.595% on the last day, Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025, from $188.20 to $187.08. During this last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.46%, with a day low at $186.08 and a day high of $188.80. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by -5.07% for this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 3 million shares, with a total of 13 million shares bought and sold for approximately $2.42 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $208.70, and the lowest price was $131.55. Currently, the price is 10.36%, or $21.62, below the 52-week high, and 92.6%, or $2,339.91, below the all-time high on June 11, 2021, when the price reached $2,526.99. Google has recently reported a slight increase in its search market share, growing by 5 basis points in January, even amidst rising competition from new AI search platforms. However, this growth comes with a backdrop of a 169 basis point year-over-year decline, indicating that while Google remains dominant, it is facing challenges from competitors like Bing, which gained market share during the same period. In a significant move towards enhancing its AI capabilities, Google has filed a patent for a personalized AI chatbot designed to manage phone calls autonomously. This innovation could potentially improve user engagement and streamline communication for consumers, enhancing Google's operational efficiency in the long run. Moreover, Alphabet's investment in its cloud and AI segments is beginning to pay off, as the company sees strong results in revenue growth and operating margins. The tech giant's capital allocation strategy, characterized by share buybacks and dividends, is aimed at enhancing shareholder returns, signaling confidence in long-term profitability. Conversely, Google's decision to abandon its prior commitment not to use AI in weapons technology raises ethical questions that could invite regulatory scrutiny and impact its public perception. Overall, these developments can create volatility in the short term, influenced by regulatory implications and competitive pressures. However, Alphabet's strong fundamentals and innovative trajectory could drive stock performance positively in the long term, making it a company to watch in the evolving tech landscape. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, February 5th, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned a buy rating to GOOG while maintaining a hold action. On the same day, Morgan Stanley also gave GOOG an overweight rating with a hold action. Additionally, on February 5, 2025, Needham rated GOOG with a buy and a hold action. Furthermore, Bank of America Securities issued a buy rating for GOOG coupled with a hold action. However, on that same day, Benchmark provided a negative rating for GOOG while also suggesting a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Google stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, in terms of return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Google. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The stock exhibits sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these moving averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is anticipated around $194.18 and $195.61. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by approximately 10%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity 3 days ago. The short-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 6 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average has a sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average reflects a buy signal from 53 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 63 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $186.99. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.72, which represents 1.46%. During the last week, the daily average volatility has been 2.24%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Google, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This represents a relatively typical PE ratio, frequently observed in companies with established histories or consistent revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.03. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $192.96. If you do not own any shares, you might want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $186.99. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is neutral. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 17th of June, 2024, when R. Martin Chavez conducted an insider purchase of 5 shares of Class C Google stock units. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Google stock a good buy? Currently, Google stock displays several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that the stock will likely perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our assessment of this stock remains negative. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, February 12th, we expect Google to open up 240 thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $187.32. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.